Welcome everybody to another Nashville neighborhood tour. Today we're going to be taking a look at some awesome apartment communities in East Nashville, taking some video tours of them, some of their available units, their amenities, the specials and deals they're offering right now. And a little bit later, I'm going to take you on a tour of some of my favorite spots in East Nashville to relax, grab a drink, grab a snack, hang out, have fun, just to show you a little bit of what the vibe of the neighborhood's like. So come on, let's take a look.
Our first stop is Stacks on Main, where luxury meets convenience in the heart of East Nashville. Starting in the club room, and now let's check out the resort-style swimming pool. Imagine yourself soaking up the sun, cooling off on a nice, hot Nashville day. And for those who love to stay active, the fitness center here is next level. So whether you're lifting, running, or stretching, you've got everything you need to crush your fitness goals. Love a little friendly competition? The game room is definitely the place to be. And don't forget about the art room, a great place to make a mess and get creative. Finally, the Sky Lounge. This rooftop retreat offers some of the best views of downtown Nashville, making it the perfect spot to unwind, entertain, or just soak in the city lights. Now, let's check out the floor plans, starting with this 530 square foot studio. This space is ideal for anyone who loves a sleek, open layout. It's designed to maximize every inch with a modern kitchen, a cozy living area, and large windows bringing in plenty of natural light. If you're looking for a little more space, the 638 square foot one bedroom is a great option. With a separate bedroom for privacy, a spacious living area, and a well-designed kitchen, this layout gives you the perfect balance of style and functionality. And for those who need even more room, check out this 937 square foot two bedroom floor plan. Whether you're sharing with a roommate, need a home office, or just want extra space, this layout delivers. You'll love the open concept kitchen, generous living area, and two well-sized bedrooms. Next up is Oxbow, one of the newest luxury apartment communities in Nashville's rapidly developing East Bank neighborhood. If you're looking for a place that combines modern living with unbeatable access to downtown, this is it. Starting with a tour of the co-working space, great place to work from home, get some homework done, and now moving on to the clubhouse and lounge area, perfect for remote work, socializing, grabbing a cup of coffee, hanging out with friends, playing some games, enjoying your home. And when it's time to unwind, you can't beat their resort-style swimming pool. Whether you're sunbathing, taking a dip, or just enjoying the vibe, this space is all about relaxation. Need to get a workout in? Their 24-hour fitness center is extensive, loaded with the latest cardio machines, free weights, a deadlifting platform, and functional training space to help you stay on track with your fitness goals. And one of my favorite spots, the Sky Lounge. Picture yourself here, rooftop views, cozy seating, river views, downtown skyline views, the perfect atmosphere for entertaining or just winding down after a long day. Now let's look at some of the floor plans Oxbow has to offer. First up, an 828 square foot two bedroom, perfect for roommates or a home office setup. Get an open concept living space, modern kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and two well-sized bedrooms, each with ample closet space. Plus large windows bring in tons of natural light, giving the space an airy, open feel. And if you need even more space, the 1,182 square foot two bedroom floor plan offers an expanded living and dining area, a larger kitchen, and even more storage. Both bedrooms are generously sized, making this layout ideal for those who love to entertain, work from home, or just enjoy a little extra breathing room. let's look at some of the nightlife. Today, I'm going to help you look at two of my favorites. First stop is Uptown Nashville. If you love old school arcade games, craft beer, and an unbeatable vibe, this place is for you. It's a 21 plus barcade packed with over 50 classic arcade games, pinball machines, and skee ball, all for just 25 cents a play. Their rooftop patio is also the perfect spot to sip a drink and take in the East Nashville views with a great slice of pizza. So whether you're here for the nostalgia or just looking for a fun night out, Uptown never disappoints. One of the best parts of East Nashville, so many places are within walking distance of each other. Next up is something unique, the Honeytree Meadery. This is Nashville's first and only meadery, specializing in delicious, locally crafted honey wine. If you've never tried mead before, this is the place to do it. You can grab a flight of different meads, ranging from dry and crisp to sweet and floral. And the best part, they source their honey from local Tennessee beekeepers, so every sip supports sustainable.
So thanks for joining me today. I hope this was helpful. I hope it was insightful. I hope you got an idea of what it's like to live in East Nashville, both some of the properties and units available to you, as well as some of the nightlife. So if you have any questions, reach out. I would love to answer all your questions. And if you are looking for a place in Nashville, don't hesitate to contact me as well. I am a licensed agent who helps people find apartments 100% free of charge. It does not cost you anything at all to work with me and get some free expert guidance on your Nashville apartment search. So would happily show you any of these units in more detail, not to mention all the hundreds of options available in Nashville. Reach out, let me know what you're looking for. I'll find it for you. It's as simple as that. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and see you on the next one. Thanks, everyone.